Hi everyone. So today we discuss about Lewis dot. Lewis dot. So in this, we discuss about carbonic acid. So the formula H2CO3. H2CO3. So this name carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. So now, we formation Lewis dot structure. So in this we know carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is there. So hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. So we know atomic number hydrogen is 1, carbon atomic number 6, oxygen atomic number 8. So generally, hydrogen. So electronic configuration 1s1. Carbon, so in this 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So next, oxygen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 2p4. So in this, generally carbon showing excited state. So that's why, in this 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 generally. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So 2, 2, 2. But in excited state, it shows 1s2, 2s1, 2p3. So generally 1, 2 electrons. In s orbital only single electron. In p orbital overall 3 electrons. So filling 1, 2, 3. So that's why overall 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single electrons. So that's why carbon valency 4. Carbon valency 4. Carbon valency 4. So generally oxygen. So oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 2p4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency 2. So in this single electrons 1, 2. So that's why oxygen valency 2. So now go for Lewis dot. So in this generally, carbon. So it is carbon. So now, the structure look like O, H, O, H, double bond, O. So generally hydrogen 1 atomic number and electron configuration 1s1. So hydrogen valency 1. Hydrogen valency 1. So that's why hydrogen 1. So make a single bond. Oxygen valency 2. Oxygen valency 2. So that's why oxygen showing 2 bonds. Okay. So carbon. So carbon valency 4. So now carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Overall 4 bonds. Okay. So it is a stable. So H2CO3. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. So in this we discuss Lewis dot formation. So now we can write Lewis dot structure. So in this H2CO3. So carbonic acid Lewis dot structure. So generally H. So 1. So how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. So 1 into 2, 2. Next 1 carbon. So in this carbon valency 4. So single carbon. So 1 into 4. is equal to 4. Next, oxygen. So oxygen, so in this 2 lone pair electrons and 2 single bonding electrons. So in this 2 lone pair, 1 2 1 2. So 2 lone pairs means how many bonds are there? 1 2 3 4. So next to 2 bonds are there. So 2. So 4 plus 2 6. So 6. So how many oxygens are there? 3. So 3. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So overall 24 Lewis dots in H2CO3. H2CO3. So just I will explain. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So electronic configuration of oxygen. So in this 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. So 2 lone pairs, 2 single bonds, 2 lone pairs. So overall 1 2 3 4 5 6. So participating 6 electrons. So that's why 6 3. How many oxygens are there? 3. So that's why 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Overall 24. So in this, so structure H2CO3 structure. So in this carbon is main. So generally carbon. Okay. So oxygen. Next oxygen, oxygen, and 2 hydrogens are there. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. So already we discussed hydrogen 1 valency, carbon 4 valency, oxygen 2 valency. So already we know. So oxygen show 2 lone pair and 2 single bonds. So that's why. So first we put dots oxygen. We put dots on oxygen. 1 2 1 2. So how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs. So 2 lone pairs. 2 lone pairs. Okay. Next, how many bonds? 2 bonds. How many bonds? 2 single bonds. So that's why. So 1 2. Next, in this oxygen participating with carbon and hydrogen. So that's why 1 dot with carbon, 1 dot with hydrogen. At the same time oxygen, so showing 2 single bonding electrons. So in this oxygen gives 1 dot or 1 bond with hydrogen, 1 bond with carbon. Okay. Next, go for hydrogen. So hydrogen showing only 1 valency and bond, only single bond. So that's why. So in this bonding, so 1 bond. So this this dot belongs to hydrogen, this dot belongs to oxygen. So next, hydrogen. So in this also bond. So this dot belongs to hydrogen. So at the same time we know carbon gives 4 single electrons, means valency also 4, carbon valency 4. So in this carbon bond with 1 oxygen, 1 bond with another oxygen, 2 bond with oxygen 2. So means 1 2 3 4. So 4 balance. Oxygen 1 1 balance. Next hydrogen 1 1 balance. Next go for oxygen. Oxygen 1 2. So 2 pair of electrons. Next single bond, 2 single bond. So at the same time 2 pair of electrons. So single bond. So at the same time 2 pair of electrons. So single bond. So single bond. Okay. So clear. So this is the carbonic acid Lewis dot structure. Overall 24 Lewis dots are there. 24 Lewis dots are there. So generally, so already we discussed overall 24 dots are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So overall 24 dots are there. So this is the carbonic acid Lewis dot structure. So generally carbon double bond with oxygen, single bond with oxygen, and hydrogen, single bond with oxygen and hydrogen. So this is the general structure of carbonic acid. Thank you.